Hi there! Welcome to iEngineering, your one-stop solution provider for electrical, industrial engineering, and software products. Let's take you on a quick journey through what we offer. Starting with smart AC and fast DC EV charging solutions, efficient, future-ready, and built for seamless mobility. Next, our airport ground support equipment. We provide robust tractor trolleys. Reliable baggage trolleys built for smooth and efficient luggage handling, minimizing delays and ensuring seamless airport operations. And high-quality conveyor belts to keep airport operations smooth and efficient. Need reliable power? We supply high-performance generators, ensuring uninterrupted energy anytime, anywhere. We supply high-voltage PFCUs and low-voltage PFCUs, which help in optimizing electrical efficiency while reducing energy costs. We also provide industrial lights, along with solar system, hybrid solar system, and battery solutions. Also, our battery energy storage system, also known as BESS, is specifically designed for large-scale solar farms, ensuring efficient energy storage and management. For industrial automation, we specialize in SCADA systems, PLC solutions, and smart control systems to enhance operational efficiency. We also offer industrial automation solutions, including online product quality assurance. For electrical infrastructure, we offer high-quality distribution and transmission line materials, along with ring main units, RMUs, for safe and efficient power distribution. And to complement that, our air brake switches are designed for safe and effective power control. All these components ensure safe and reliable electrical distribution. Our high-quality transformers ensure reliable power distribution and seamless performance. We also provide strong and durable iEngineering power cables to meet your infrastructure needs. And for complete electrical solutions, we offer AS61439 compliant LV switchboards, ensuring safety and reliability. We also offer EV training benches to support the growing need for electric vehicle expertise. Along with that, we also provide tractor hydraulic system training benches, along with various other training programs for hands-on student learning. For specialized applications, we also provide chemical-free heat fumigation machines, ensuring effective and efficient operations. Yes, of course, safety helmets and protective gear, because keeping your workforce safe is always a priority. And we do also supply other industrial electrical spare parts. Now let's talk about our engineering and design services. We specialize in power system analysis, including load flow, short circuit studies, protection studies, and arc flash analysis, ensuring your electrical systems are both safe and efficient. But that's not all. We also handle substation design and develop critical technical documents such as high voltage installation safety management plans. Our expertise extends to grounding design, EMFI analysis, lightning protection, and earthing compliance, ensuring your infrastructure meets the highest safety and efficiency standards. We also specialize in underground and overhead power line designs, offering drone inspection and measurement services for accurate and reliable assessments. And as an accredited service provider, we offer Level 3 design work and electrical schematic designs for various industries. Our solutions are designed to enhance efficiency, reliability, and sustainability, delivering top-tier results in every project we take on. Our software solutions include NEPLAN for power system analysis, such as load flow, short circuit, cable sizing, and various other studies, including network planning. XGS Lab is used for grounding design, EMFI analysis, lightning protection, and HV cable studies, ensuring electrical safety and reliability. CAL, which is also known as EAM APM software, a complete maintenance solution for asset management, predictive maintenance, and cost savings across industries. And of course, we also provide energy management systems and IoT solutions, by helping you optimize efficiency and stay ahead with smart connected technology. That's just a glimpse of what we offer. Send us an inquiry and our experts will reach out to you soon. Let's build a smarter, more sustainable future together. Thank you.